All right, mathematicians, welcome back to Math with Miss Carter. Today, we're still going to be covering our subtracting two-digit numbers using our place value chart. However, I promised you guys yesterday that I would still go over regrouping with you because I know that we only had a short time to cover it. So today on our whiteboard, I've given us a problem just to quickly work through for regrouping. And the problem is 37 plus 23. Now, as I look at my whiteboard, and I know, because I'm a super smart mathematician just like you guys, that when we're doing these kinds of problems, we start adding or subtracting in our ones column. Let me draw my line here. And I'm also going to put, I forgot to put my little box for my regrouping number, so I'm going to sit that right beside my T. See there? Now, I'm going to use a different color marker so you can see exactly what I'm doing. Now, I know that we start from our ones column like we said. Now, I know that 7 plus 3, quickly on the top of my mind, I know that that gives me 10, right? Now, I know when I write out the number 10, it looks like this. So when I write out the number 10, if I'm putting it in a place value chart, there is one digit that's in the ones column and one digit that's in the tens column. And remember, all team numbers start with a 1. And that's to tell you how many groups of 10 it is. Right. So my number starts with a 1. And it's telling me that I have one more group of 10s now. My 7 plus 3 made a group of 10. But I've got to put this in my place value chart somewhere. So I'm on my one side. Now I've got 2 digits. That's not going to work. But the digit in my ones column is a 0. So I can put my 0 here. And then I'm going to regroup my 10s. I've already got groups of 10s over here. But I have that 1 sitting over there that I know is a set of 10. So I've got to put it where my 10s are. I'm going to put it over here. It has its own little space at the top so that I don't forget about it. And then I can go and move on. So now it's like this is gone because I put it there and I still got 10. 1, 0. So if I wanted to write this another way, I could cancel those out and put a 0 there and then a 1 there. Because the 7 and 3 made the 10 and the 0 stays on the one side because the 0 of my 10 is in the ones column. Then I put my 1 to show my new 1 group of 10s at the top, and then I add everything that's in my 10s column. 3 plus 2, we quickly know that gives us, right, 5. And 5 plus 1 more, our new group of 10 gives us 6. So when I put my numbers back together, a 6 and a 0 make 60. So now I know that 37 plus 23 gives me 60. I had to regroup this 7 and 3, which made a 10. Because a 10 can't be in the ones column. Every time I get a set of 10, I've got to move it over to the tens column. And we'll learn as our numbers get bigger, if I have more than 9 sets of 10, I have got to move it over to a new column called the hundreds column. We're going to keep working through this so that you guys have a better understanding of it. But for now, we're going to get started with our subtraction of two-digit numbers. You guys did very good showing your work yesterday, so let's try it again today. Our first problem over here is 68 minus 56. Now, I know I have 8 minus 6 on my one side. 8 minus 6, I can easily count back. And I'm going to put the 8 in my head. And I'm going to go 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. I took away 6. I counted down 6 fingers. And I stopped at the number 2. So that's my answer. 2. minus 5. 6 fingers up, take away 5. I've got one little lonely thumb left over. So 68 minus 56 is 12. How do I know that my answer is correct though? Well, first I know that when I'm subtracting, my number should get smaller. So if I was taking 56 away from 68, would I get up to 80? No. Right. It should go down. Did my numbers go down? Yes, they did. I could also put this number back together and add it up. Put 56 plus 12. And does that give me back 68? Yes, it would. Let's try it. 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68. I added 12 to my 56, and that got me back to my original number, 68. It's just like saying if I had 68 cookies and I gave Parker 56, how many cookies would I have left? 12. So if you need to work the problem out and physically have things to touch, that's okay for now. Go get your piggy bank. Take out 100 pennies. Put them into piles. It might take you a while, but it'll help you get the hang of and see how the numbers should get smaller for subtraction and bigger for addition, just like we would do in our classroom. The next problem that we have is 99 minus 9. Now this problem looks a little weird. Can anybody tell me what's wrong with the problem? Right. There's nothing over here in that tens column. Why is that? It has something to do with something that I said for this. Right. When you have a group of 10, you move something into the tens column. But I only have 9, so I don't have anything in the tens column yet. I haven't made it to a teen number. So I could, just to save the space, put a 0 there. 0, 9 still means 9. It just shows that I don't have anything there in my tens column. So if that makes you feel more comfortable, you can do that. Either way, you know there's nothing there. So 9 minus 9. What does that give us? Right. 0. And 9 minus 0, or nothing, is going to give us 9. Could we check this problem really easily in our head? We could. We'll put 99 in our head, and we're going to count back. Because remember, it's subtraction, so our numbers should get smaller. So 99, 98, 97, 96, 95, 94, 93, 92, 91, and 90. I'm up to 9 fingers. I took my 9 away. Did I get my 90? I did. Great math, you guys. The next problem is 65 minus 33. Now, how could we work out this problem? Somebody help me out. You said start over here? No, I know I didn't hear you guys say that. Right, we work our way from the right to the left. So, 5 minus 3, that equals 2. I'm going to put our 2 there because we're in our ones column and we want to keep it in our ones column. Then we're going to move over to our tens column. 6 minus 3. Ooh, that reminds me of a double. 3 plus 3 equals 6. So what's our number going to be here? Right, 3. Because 6 minus 3 gives us 3. 3 plus 3 gives us 6. So what's our answer? 65 minus 33 gives us 32. Correct. And our last problem for the day, guys, is this one. 84 minus 21. So we're starting in our ones column again. And 4 minus 1, that gives us 3. Now what about our tens column? 8 minus 2. Right, it gives us 6. So 8 minus 2 is 6. 4 minus 1 is 3. Our answer is 63. It's easier to work it out on one side and the other side and then join our numbers back together. But soon enough, you guys will be able to do this without separating into tens and ones columns because you're super mathematicians. Remember to keep working on your spiral review and practicing regrouping. We'll do some more math here tomorrow with Miss Carter. See you soon. Bye, guys.